Hey, human of universe, humans of Bharat, people of universe, and particularly humans of Bengal. The the photo that you are seeing in the background is of one of the famous scientists during the British era of Bharat. His name is Jagadish Chandra Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose was the actually was the scientist who first found out the radio waves, although the credit is given to Marconi, but it was actually Jagadish Chandra Bose who first came out with the properties, attributes and behaviors of all the radio waves, and it's because of the Bharat was under the British rule, this great scientist was not given his due credit. Now I would like to tell some of the other parts of the Jagadish Chandra Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose was not only a great professor, but he was a great human being as well. And people of universe, the first kind of racial discrimination, the first kind of battle against racial discrimination that the Britishers used to do in Bharat, Jagadish Chandra Bose was one of the first persons to fight against it. He had foregone the 3 years salary because the Britishers used to pay 2/3 of the salary to the Indian professors and of the European professors. Okay, so Indian professors used to get 2/3 of the salary that the European professors used to get in the same college, in the same post that in Kolkata. So Jagadish Chandra Bose was a professor of Presidency College. Presidency College is one of the finest colleges of Kolkata, and although it has lost many glories, the glorious past, but it has given many famous scientists from Bharat, and many famous scientists from Bharat during the British era used to work at the Presidency College. So this was Jagadish Chandra Bose who first fought against the racial discrimination of the Britishers, who used to pay 2/3 of the salary to the Indian professors than what an European professor used to get. So himself, and for the people of Bengal, are we really doing justice to the institute that Jagadish Chandra Bose has formed, like the Bose Institute of Fundamental Research? And we will have to take care of the legacy that the Bengalis are bestowed by all these people, great scientists of Bharat. Just a few other facts of the Jagadish Chandra Bose, the inventor of the radio wave. Jagadish Chandra Bose did it for the sake of science. Okay, he didn't want to commercialize the radio waves when he discovered it or when he invented it. Marconi wanted to just the opposite. Marconi wanted to commercialize the invention. So this is again the ethos of Bharat, that the great scientists that has been flowing from ancient ages. Whatever Bharat, whatever the scientists of Bharat, whatever the great monks, great sages of Bharat had done, they wanted to enlighten the global, the universe, the people of the universe or the human society. So for example, the sage who wrote in the Upanishad that the universe is infinite, he didn't do it for the sake of money. Okay, so always remember, the money matters actually is not very Bharatiya, it's not very Indianized. Jagadish Chandra Bose wanted to, that's what again I say, Jagadish Chandra Bose wanted to give it free of cost to the human society, the radio wave. On the other hand, Marconi just wanted to commercialize it. So this is the basic difference between the European Renaissance and the Bharatiya cultural and scientific ethos. Okay, we want to serve the humanity, and unlike the globalists of the modern era who do everything by keeping a profit and loss account. No, we are unlike them. We are not like them. For us, serving the humanity is more important than earning a lot of money and sitting on the pile of cashes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.